everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to do the splits for beginners. I'm going to give you a great routine for stretching as well. Right at the end I'm going to teach you how to better position yourself to do splits for first time. So that, let's get to it. Our first two exercises are going to do dynamic stretching. The first one we are going to do passe, open and down, passe, open and down. So those are circular movements of hips and you're going to do between 5 and 8 repetitions each leg. Then you're going to change to the other one. You're going to repeat the same. Feel your hip really rotating, warming up and articulating. That's it. Then you can raise knee up and press towards your chest and hold this for 10-15 seconds. You're going to open to the side. You're going to also press up. If you need your ballet bar to help you to control your body weight, feel free to do so. You can also use the wall. Remember, 10-15 seconds. Press, open to the side, rotate, and again press towards your chest. Another 10-15 seconds. Moving to our next exercise, we are going down to the floor. With legs extended in front of you, arms in fifth position, we are going to do 8 supple forward, which means you're gonna go to reach your toes and up. You're going to do 8. And the last time you're gonna hold it down, 10 seconds. Our next exercise, you're gonna lift your knee. You're gonna open to the side in a passe, kind of passe, and we are gonna lower chest down. Use your hands to rest on your elbows, or you can just grab around your ankle and press down. You're gonna hold it for 30 seconds, this position. We are going to recover up. Now we are gonna extend leg by your side. We are going to be in an L position and we are gonna lower chest down again. After 20 seconds, you're gonna recover up. Hands in front of you, opposite arm, and we are gonna reach to the toes by our side. You're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. From your L position, you're gonna bend your knee and your legs going back. Now, here we have to make sure that your hips are square facing forward and your glutes are on the floor. And again, you're gonna lower chest down. Remember, if you cannot reach all the way down, use your hands on the ground and slowly keep moving forward. Deep breath. Lower down to your elbows. And slowly and gradually increasing stretching all the way down until you can touch your leg. Remember, we are going to hold it for 30 seconds again. And now we are going to repeat everything with the other leg. 30 seconds rest. You're going to stretch leg by your side in an L position. And we are going to reach forward. To the side, 20 seconds, we recover up and your knee is gonna bend back. Recover up, and now we are going to a lunge position. Lunge position, knee on the ground, point your toes, chest tall and proud. You're gonna use your hips to press down. Your hips are gonna be facing forward and square. You're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. You can increase stretching in this step by pointing toes outwards, rotate your knee. Keep going all the way down to rest on your elbows. You're gonna recover up. You're gonna close toes and knee, and we are going slowly to lower your back leg down and keep going down. Open chest, proud, and keep going slowly down. And that's it. That's your split. Now we're going to repeat the same to the other leg. Let's see how it goes. lunge position. Point toes, knee on the ground. It can either be really tall and proud chest, or toes pointing outward, knee rotating and lowering chest down to the ground. Hold it for 30 seconds. Use your hips to keep pressing down. We recover up. And we are gonna slide our back leg slowly. Use your hands to support your body weight. Keep going. Point your toes, stretch your legs, upright position, and your other split is ready. Our last exercise, we are gonna do frog position. And here you're making sure that you have a straight line between knee, pelvis, and your other knee. You're gonna hold it for as long as you need. And once you feel comfortable, you're gonna stretch one leg and make sure that you still keep that straight line. You're gonna stretch your other leg. You're gonna use your hands to get the position. Recover up, and middle split, it's ready. For more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video, where I'm gonna leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.